So welcome for today's class of mathematics. This is for class 9 mathematics, chapter 13, surface area and volume. Exercise 13.2, question number 5. So I will be solving exercise 13.2, question number 5 today. So what I'll have to do is take down the question, okay, first. That is, a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Okay, find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. So you have to find the cost of painting. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at rate of 12.50 per meter square. So let me start. So you all can write down over here, length of the pillar, that is your height, is equal to, what is your height? Length is 120, that is your height, right? This is your height. Question number 5 it is, okay. So cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 33.5 is the height over here. Okay, so your height is what? 3.5 meter. Radius of the pillar R is equal to diameter upon 2. So your diameter is given to be 50 centimeter. So you can write down 50 upon 2. So it will be half of that 50, right? So we will get 25. So answer is 25 centimeter upon 2. Okay, so you will get it was centimeter, right? You were getting 25. So now this is equal to 25. We are converting this into meter now. So divide by 100. So you will get 0.25 meter. Okay, your next step is curved surface area. Curved surface area of the pillar is what? Formula 2 pi r h. Now multiply 2 multiplied by, what is the value of pi? 22 upon 7. What is the radius you got? 0.25. 0.25 multiplied by, your height is 3.5. Now I can cancel this. 7 ones are 7, 0.5. Okay, 7 5s are 35 it is. Okay, now you have to multiply this 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 0.25 multiplied by 0.5. What will be your answer? Your answer will be nothing but 5.5 meter square. Therefore, you can say that the cost of whitewashing the curved surface area at rupees 12.50 per meter square is equal to 12.50, write it as it is, multiplied by, what answer you got over here? Curved surface area of the pillar is 5.5 meter square. So 5.5 meter square. And this is not whitewashing, this is the cost of painting. Painting it is, okay? Painting. Okay, cost of painting the curved surface area at rupees 12.50 per meter square is equal to 12.50, write it as it is, and this is the curved surface area of the pillar. Now multiply this, and what is your answer for this? 68.75. If you all are not understanding how to do the multiplication, and you all can comment below. I'll provide you the link in the description. So cost of painting the curved, therefore you can write down the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar is rupees 68.75. Okay, so I hope you'll have understood exercise 13.2 question number 5, and thanks for watching. If you all are not understanding how to do the basic multiplication or any of the concept, you all can comment below.